Good morning, guys, welcome back. So today, honestly, we're excited. We're doing like an entire week in my life video, but to start it off, I wanted to do a quick little condo tour. I've been thinking about this because originally I wanted to wait to show you guys the condo until I actually had everything done, all my furniture in here, things on the wall, and that's why I kept pushing it off. And then I can start filming like my clean with me and organize with me videos and showing the actual condo, but not feeling like I didn't introduce it to y'all, which maybe is dumb and I don't need to do that, but in my head, it just makes more sense. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you remember from my empty condo tour, this is my front door. This is it right there. And then if we go this way, this is my little laundry room, front door. And then before, obviously this was not done. Super basic, just a little mud room right here. And then back there is where I'm going to have a washer dryer put in. Still haven't done that yet, but those are all like storage right now. So gotta be organized. And then if you walk out, this is what you see. So when you first walk in, this is your view. This carpet, I know it's gotta be cleaned. It's from Ocean State Job Lot, I think, but I have to vacuum it. And I did have my floors redone from the first video. And then this opens up into the living room. As you can see, there are very high ceilings, and then I have a skylight up there, which I really, really like. And you may have seen my living room in my Clean My Living Room With Me video. So if you didn't, I'll have that link down below. Couch is Let Go, but it's the brand Cindy Crawford Home from Raymore and Flanagan. Coffee table and side tables are from Wayfair. TV stand is from IKEA, carpet is from Home Depot, and my television is from Target. Over there is my lovely plant that Sochil got me. She's the best. That carpet's gonna be going in my guest room once that's ready. These are my big windows with my nice curtains, Bed Bath & Beyond. And then if we come over here, you'll see my lovely finished dining room. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's perfect to have dinner in already. I'm gonna be getting a tablecloth, more chairs. My boyfriend's dad actually gave this to me, so I'm really, really thankful for that. And then still have a ladder and some tools. Okay guys, I think we're ready for the big kitchen reveal. First, I'm gonna show you some clips of what it looked like before, and then we're just gonna head over to the after. Okay, so here's the before. This is what it's looking like. And now, there's the kitchen. Gosh darn it, isn't it so beautiful? I can't get over it. I love just looking at it. And then you can see down there, the baseboards still need to be put in. So still little things that need to be done. And then this is like a little countertop space. Let's go inside. And then here's before what this section looked like. And then here is after. So I have more cabinets there. I'm so happy. I hope y'all like the kitchen. I just think it's so darn beautiful. And when I do my full finished condo tour, I'll go in more depth about what everything is from. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. This is going to be my guest room, which I'm not going to show you right now just because there's so much stuff in there. It's not done at all. It needs to be painted. It just is a storage room right now, so we'll skip that. And then if you come over here, this is the bathroom. Tim actually bought a new toilet for it though, because the other one wasn't chair height, and he said it needed to be chair height. So that's my new toilet, looks the same. Me in front of my mirror in my bathroom. Okay, so you walk out of the bathroom and you come here, and then you see my bedroom. My nightstand and makeup table are both from IKEA, and then I just have the same bed. My carpet is from Ocean State Job Lot. And then over here, I just have the same dresser, gotta put the picture up. That's from Walmart, I believe. Same mirror, same towel. And then next to my makeup desk is my closet. As you can see, super duper organized on top. And then you come to the bottom and it's like, okay, Kat, you got some work to do. What's up, guys? It's now 6:12 p.m. and I just got home from work. I stopped off at TJ Maxx because I had to buy something. Okay, I'll show you. I'll be right back. Look, I got some luggage. If you can guess why, let me know in the comments. I'm guessing your guess is that I'm traveling, and your guess is correct. If that was your guess, you don't have to comment it. So freaking excited, guys. In 2 weeks, I am going to Australia. I will be traveling there for 2 weeks. Comment down below if once I get there, you want me to do like a hotel room tour and how I organize my hotel room. I wanted to show you guys this Pinch Me box, not sponsored at all, but they did send me the box, and this is the influencer box. This is a way for y'all to get free stuff for free, like totally free, like literally no money is spent. Basically what you do is you go on their website, you sign up, you choose which samples you want to get for that term, and then they send them to you for free. You try them out, and then you just have to write reviews on them or answer questions about them on the website. And some of them are full-size products. Like this, I'm really excited about. Like these are multivitamins, and there's like a full pack. Like this is a full size, so I'm really excited about that. I got a coffee with 2 times caffeine, blister cushions for your heels. If you've ever worn shoes and got blisters, you know how much that sucks. So these can be helpful. A pure clay mask, face mask. That's always nice. Oh, food. Food's my favorite part. 15 grams of protein. Have a little thing of sunscreen. That's gonna be convenient on my trip to Australia. Pacha soap. Oh, this is cool. It's like a charcoal powder soap. More food. Really excited about these. They're cookie squares baked in France. Soothing body oil. Ooh, it's to condition your body. Sounds good. It's like a little chocolate and it looks so good, but I didn't eat it. You know what? I'm gonna eat it now. Taste test. Normally I don't like white chocolate, and this says white chocolate on the inside. Gosh darn it, that's delicious. This is RX nut butter. That looks awesome. And this is a 1-minute hair mask with avocado extract. That sounds really cool, and my hair's been feeling kind of dry lately, so I'm gonna use this. Those are all of the things. I just wanted to share that with y'all because I think that's pretty darn cool. Literally all you have to do is write reviews on this stuff, and you know, like I said, I'm not getting paid to say any of this. I genuinely think this is super cool. I've already told all my friends and like gotten everybody to be like, wow, that's really cool. I wanna try that. So I recommend you clicking the link if you're interested. Every single month they have a new assortment of samples. This is the influencer box. So for regular members, you would get an average of 3 to 6 samples. And it's also important to note not every single person gets one every single month, but there are freebies that can go out every month, and I know the majority of people do, so I think that's really cool. And if you do want to try, just click the link in my description box, fill out your member profile, and start getting free stuff. Hey guys, it's a couple minutes later. I changed. This is my baby sister. Say hi, baby sister. She lives on college, but she came over tonight.
Yes, everyone, I live on college.
She lives on college because we're doing a little photo shoot. I'm wearing a super cute Santa shirt and snowflake pants, even though like mentally I'm like springtime.
I'm wearing some leggings and socks.
Very flexible. I'm flexible too.
Oh, you want to get flexible, honey? Let's get flexible.
Actually, I may want you to take a picture of me for Instagram too, but I'll have to change. Show them the split you could do.
Oh.
Look, guys. Oh, how cool is that? That's like a legit on split. Good morning, guys. It is currently 7 a.m. In a second, I'm gonna show you the video I was watching because it's pretty cool. It's about budgeting and that sort of a thing. And then I want to kind of clean up because all of the rooms in my place are kind of messy right now. So this YouTube channel is titled One Big Happy Life, and I absolutely love it. The couple does a whole bunch of videos on finances and how to have healthy finances and all of that sort of thing. So I really like it. And this video is specifically about budgeting for the entire year, and it's a super, super cool method. I actually am going to be putting my budget together like this. I'm gonna take like 5 minutes to finish my coffee, finish watching this video, and then we're gonna go do a quick little clean. So normally I do like to try and clean up everything before I go to sleep. That way when I wake up, it's not messy like it was today, but clearly I didn't do that last night. So I did want to take 10 minutes to just tidy everything up. That way when I get home from work, it's a lot more of a relaxing environment, and I always end up feeling stressed if it's messy. So I'd rather it be nice and clean. So it's worth it to just take 10 minutes to quickly clean everything up, doing the dishes. And as you can see here, this is like my first little clean with me in my kitchen. I will do an entire like deep clean kitchen routine video, but I do think that taking just 10 minutes or even 5 minutes, literally however much time you have to dedicate to just quickly tidying things up before you go to bed, before you leave for school, work, whatever it is going to help to put your mind at ease kind of. It's also kind of therapeutic for me, at least. Once you start cleaning, you like feel empowered, I guess. And then when you come back to that space, you know it's going to be really nice already, and it's just a lot more relaxing of an environment. This is so chill. We're having dinner currently. I cooked them a really gourmet meal.
Instagram at It's the Coon. Oh, it's not gonna make a difference. People can't say my name.
We'll say it and then I'll have it pop up so they can hear how it sounds.
You so won't. Chill_I may.
We're just hanging out. It's after work time. It's, what time is it? It's 7:45 p.m. It's like 2 hours before my bedtime. She didn't believe me when I say I go to bed at like 9:30 every single night. I really do, and I talk about it in my videos. Y'all know that I go to bed that early because
do you
I
put
talk about
beeps over like swear words and stuff?
I just don't swear in my daily life, so I don't have a problem.
I only swear like a lot when people go out of their way to point out my swearing. Like, I will say one swear word and then people are like, you know, I'm talking mostly about my dad because he's like, you swear so much, and then I just start going off. Like, are you kidding me? Beat that out.
actually had somebody ask me, like commented on a Q&A thing and asked me, do you swear in your normal life? Like that was the question. So to answer your question, no, I really don't. If you guys watched till this part, comment plant if you watched till this part. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you want me to do like Australia travel vlog / hotel tour organized type routine thing. Let me know in the comments and I will see y'all in my next video.